Hello viewers. Amazon Great Indian Sale and Flipkart's Big Billion Days Sale are the best deals of the year for purchasing smartphones and other electronic products. A lot of people are waiting for iPhones at a cheaper price in Big Billion Days and Amazon's Great Indian Sale. But the question is, which iPhone is best for you? Well, the answer lies in your budget. If your budget is 30k, you cannot buy a 5G smartphone. You have to buy either iPhone XR or iPhone 11, but these smartphones are not 5G smartphones. So I would never recommend a 4G iPhone in late 2023. So in order to buy a 5G iPhone, you have to increase your budget up to 40k. In around 40k, you can consider buying iPhone 12. Basically, you have three options in your budget, that is iPhone 12, iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. There are minor differences in these smartphones. iPhone 12 comes with 6.1-inch OLED display, 4GB RAM and decent battery life. It comes with a 14 Bionic chipset which has a great processing power. iPhone 13 has an upgraded chipset, A15 Bionic, which has excellent processing power. iPhone 13's battery life is great. The cameras are little bit upgraded from iPhone 12. The price of iPhone 13 will be around 42 to 45k in BBD sale. iPhone 13 has an amazing camera setup. 12 megapixel cameras are great in details and you will never be disappointed with the camera performance of iPhone 13. In videography, the cameras can shoot up to 4K 60 fps and the quality is excellent. If you are looking for iPhone 14, there are very minor improvements from iPhone 13's camera. It comes with same A15 Bionic chipset with 2GB extra RAM and accent mode in videography. You can buy this device at around 50k in Flipkart's BBD sale. So, which iPhone do you want to buy in Flipkart's Big Billion Day sale or Amazon's Great Indian sale? Among iPhone 12, 13 and 14, iPhone 13 is my best choice considering the price to performance factor. iPhone 13 has good battery life and its camera performs very well and the processing power of this phone is excellent. This phone will never disappoint you. Let me know in the comment sections below which smartphone do you want to buy in Amazon and Flipkart sale. If you want to know how iPhone 13's camera performs, you can check out the description for the camera review of iPhone 13. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.